Good morning. It is Friday, first day of March, March 1st. All right. And I want to update you on the two trades from yesterday. Just phenomenal trades. Okay. Look at this. This is CRM, Salesforce. Remember we put this trade on just a couple days ago? 166.88. Look at where the market opened up today, folks. Opened up at 177.33, made a high of 177.95. Our profit objective, well, our first profit objective, as you already know, easily hit 171.96, right? 171.96, right? That's been hit on the open, okay? Our 2 times what we were initially risked was, right? Remember, we were risking $5.08. 2 times that initial risk is $10.16 on the trade. That puts us at 177.04. All right, and then 80% of that puts us at $8.12 at a price of $175. Well, obviously it had earnings last night, just like I thought. I thought it would be good. I wanted to keep this trade overnight, and we did that. So exiting the market as we speak. And so right up in here, not a bad trade. Again, went long at 166.88, so easily a 10-point trade. Easy a 10-point trade on that. Remember what we did yesterday? We also moved that stop up, didn't we? We moved that stop up to 164.22. Remember what we did was we measured, as I was doing this video, the market had opened up, put in a high, so we measured from the low there to that high, and we had our stop. We moved our stop, which was sitting below the low, the bullish engulfing pattern, right? Our initial stop loss was 161.80, right? 161.80. We decided to move that stop up to 164.22. So cutting our initial risk from $5.08 to $2.66. Not bad. So all 3 profit objectives easily hit on this trade, actually in, and I am out. Okay, got filled at 176.38. 176.38 got filled out of all of it. All of it in here. Now remember, the first, the smallest profit objective of $5.08, it gapped over that. So everything is out here. So that was a nice trade. Remember the second trade we put on? The SDS. Remember SDS, which is the ultra short S&P 500. Put that on, okay? Put that on yesterday. Bought that at 47.19, and then as the market rallied yesterday, okay, let's look at the E-minis real quick here. Okay, these are the E-mini S&P 500. The market opened up yesterday and rallied, okay, rallied and actually tested Monday's high right there, the 1524.5. 1524.5 was Monday's high, the high of this bearish engulfing pattern right here, right? This is the engulfing pattern, closed near the low. Market made a nice bounce, tested that high, and when I saw the market rally up to that high, I decided to buy more SDS. I told you yesterday that my price was, here, let's go back to that real quick. All right, back to the SDS right here. Bottom chart is the daily chart. Now, of course, you've seen all red, right? Downtrend on a weekly, downtrend obviously on a daily. This is more of a counter trend trade, isn't it? Now, I told you that I had bought it at $47.19, right? $47.19. But when the market rallied up and tested Monday's high, the high of the bearish engulfing pattern, I bought more. I didn't double up on it or anything, but my average price, it only brought my average price to $47.14. So that's where I'm long. $47.14. So it only brought my average price down by 5 cents. So that's why I'm long 47.14 on this trade. We'll see if the market's able to make a bigger move to the downside, which would take the SDS higher yet. So at this stage, I am not going to risk anything on the trade. It's pretty much a free trade. And where am I looking to take profits, you may be asking? I am looking, my first target would be $48.74. Okay, $48.74. Remember, my initial risk on this trade was 1 ATR below the lowest low here, right? That being said, my initial stop was $1.55. So that would put my first objective at 48.74, because if you add $1.55 to, well, I have to adjust these prices now. Hold on one. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I am moving my stop from 45.64 to actually just a few cents below the lowest low here. 46.53 is the low in the SDS. My stop has been moved to 46.48. Okay, 46. All right, so now look at this. Market's at 48.10, so the market's rallying, which means the SDS is rallying, which means the overall market is dropping right now as we speak. Okay, so I moved my stop up from 45.64 to 46.48. Okay, 46.48. And my profit objective, I've adjusted that to 48.60, which is 5 cents below the 27th of February's high right there. So that means right now as we speak, right now, my risk is 66 cents, okay? And I'm looking to make $1.46. Again, my initial stop loss right now is at 46.48 in the SDS. My sell stop's at 46.48. And my first profit objective is at 48.60, 5 cents below February 27th's high. And that puts me at a profit of $1.46, which means this is almost a 2.5 to 1 risk to reward, or reward to risk ratio, whatever you want to call it, okay? So that's where you have it, okay? Again, look at that. The CRM. CRM has dropped big time on that gap open. So we had plenty of time to exit the market because we were at our profit objectives well above our first and second profit objective of 171.96, 175, and then 177.04. Look at on that gap opened at 177.33, got out at 176.50 and change. And now the market's dropping down to 172.32. So not bad. Again, back to SDS. And so look at the SDS right now at $48.15, approaching my first profit target. Again, almost a 2 to 1. So not bad. I also want to shout out to everyone that participated in the stock launch. It went phenomenally well, and I congratulate all of you that have enrolled. We are now closed, so Doc, Dave, and myself are looking forward to working with all of you. And thank you very much. Have a profitable day, and I will be back with you on Monday. Bye for now.